so excited. Hello everybody, it is Channon Rose and I am so freaking excited for this video because I have some very exciting life update news to share with you guys. Also, I just want to say, like, thank you so much to all the people that are actually watching this video right now, because I know I haven't been posting here in a really long time and a lot of people have just like forgot about me. But for those people that might be watching this, I just want to say thank you. I'm so grateful for you still being here and still watching my videos and supporting me. It means honestly so much, and I feel like I've taken my subscribers for granted. You know, I was starting to get discouraged because I was posting videos and I have over 1 million subscribers and I just really wasn't getting very many views or the views I used to get, and I was just getting really down on myself, and I just thought, you know, no one likes me anymore, no one wants to watch my videos, or no one cares, I'm not interesting or entertaining anymore. And so I just stopped posting here, and I started posting more on my vlog channel, and that's kind of like where I've spent most of my time. But like, I really miss posting here, and like, this is something that brings me a lot of joy and I'm very passionate about, and I'm very passionate about sharing things. And so I think it's okay if I have 1 million subscribers and I only get 1,000 views. That's okay with me, because I feel like I need to earn like my views. Just because I have 1 million subscribers doesn't mean that, like, you know, people are just gonna watch my videos. Like, I have to work hard at like what I do and make good videos, and you know, so I'm not posting story times about like my crazy porn life or whatever, and then, you know, that's what people liked, and if I'm not posting that, they're not going to want to watch my new content. And you know what, that's okay. I'm just going to post what I love here, and I don't care about the views anymore. And so we'll move on. Like, get to the point, Shannon. If you don't know, I moved into like my dream house, and we remodeled it, and it's like honestly the best thing. I'm so like, I wake up every day and I'm like, holy shit, like, this is my life. This is crazy. Like, I'm so happy. I have 2 beautiful babies. I have an amazing husband. I'm so happy I could cry. Like, I literally have my dream life. Like, everything I ever wanted, like, my dreams have just like come true. You know, I didn't know what to do next. And a lot of people I think would just be like, you know, pretty chill with like just laying low and enjoying this. But for me, I'm always like, I get bored very easily, and there's so many things I want to do all the time. And I've always wanted to travel. And so we bought an RV like years ago, and then we got a new RV that has like bunk beds for the kids. It's so cool and fun. We have decided that we are going to move out of our house and move full-time into our RV to travel the country. And so we're gonna be like full-time RVers. We're gonna move our whole family into the RV, and we're just gonna travel all over the US, maybe even Canada and Mexico, just like everywhere, and just like travel and see all the things. I feel like life is like meant to be lived. We're not promised tomorrow. Like, we never know what's gonna happen. Like, life is just too short, and I wanna do the shit that I wanna do like now, you know? So we've taken like measures to be able to do that, and I'll give you guys just like a little insight of like what we plan to do. But we're actually moving out at the end of the month, so we're gonna be like on the road traveling full time, and I'm so excited to share like that journey. And so I'll be vlogging and posting everything on my vlog channel, and then I'm sure we're gonna have like so many fun, you know, things that happen, and like crazy story times. I'm sure that will happen. So I'll post all that on here. But if you want to follow along on the vlog channel of like our travels and stuff, definitely go to Channon Rose Vlogs, because that's where I'll be posting that. Also, in case you don't know, just quick little shout out plug, I have a new recipe book that came out that has 50 vegan and gluten-free recipes. It's so bomb. And I'll leave that link down below in case anybody wants to check it out. Basically, we are moving out of our house into the RV full time and traveling the country. And I'm so excited. Like, I can't even tell you how excited I am. I think it's gonna be such a fun adventure. A lot of people are asking like, oh my gosh, like, are you gonna sell your dream house? Hell no. I put my heart and soul into this house, and I've worked so hard to have this home. And so we're not selling it, because I want to make sure we always have a place to go back to. God forbid there's an emergency or something goes wrong, or we don't like it, you know, whatever the case is. That way we always have somewhere to come back to. And also, we would never just leave the house empty while we were gone. So we're actually renting it out, and we got like a property manager, and we're renting the house out while we're gone. The prices and the housing and everything, we got so lucky, because not only are these renters gonna be paying our mortgage, but we're actually gonna make a little bit of money. It's not a lot, it's like a couple $100, but like, you know, we're making a couple $100s a month on top of that while, you know, someone's like house sitting and paying our mortgage, just like how I feel. So that's kind of like my life update. On like not so good news, I was recently diagnosed with Hashimoto's and Addison's disease. They're like autoimmune diseases. So I've been pretty sick, and I really just haven't really been posting much of that because I don't think anybody wants to see that. But yeah, I've been feeling horrible, but I've been working with doctors and now I'm on lots of medication to like help me feel better and all that stuff. But like, yeah, I have like really bad days and then I have better days. And so on the better days is when I film and I get to make videos for you guys. So thank you for allowing me to have this space to do that. So that's all I can think of right now to update you guys on. But I just wanted to let you know that we're like moving out of our house, moving into an RV and traveling the country because I just think that's really cool and I wanted to share it with you guys. So if there's any places like you've always wanted to go and you're like, Shannon, like, can you please go there and film it and tell me all the cool things I need to do there? Yes, I would be happy to. I definitely plan on like vlogging and letting everybody know. So when you guys like go to travel somewhere, you know, like all the cool things to do. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video if you like what we're doing or if you liked this video. And definitely stay tuned for more future fun videos. And if you guys have any video requests, please leave them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. If I get any questions about this dress is so amazing, by the way, and comfortable. My battle scar from when I broke my back in a car accident, but oh gosh, it's not very flattering. It's not very flattering right here, but I got this on Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's like such a fun dress. Okay, I'm out of breath because my Addison's makes me like so tired and out of breath. But thank you guys for watching. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.
Keep moving on and let go. Add color into your soul. Now life's like a movie, camera pose. One time for the girl, Channon Rose.